I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play City Skylines 2 on mobile through cloud gaming. First, understand that cloud gaming streams the full PC version of the game directly to your phone or tablet. This means you don't need a powerful device, just a strong internet connection. Aim for a 5G cellular connection or a robust Wi-Fi network to ensure smooth gameplay. You'll also want a compatible mobile device, and ideally, a game controller for the best experience. Next, you need to choose a cloud gaming service. Popular options include Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce Now, both of which support a wide range of PC titles. It's crucial to verify that your chosen service officially supports City Skylines 2 before you commit to a subscription. Also, compare their pricing models and check if they have server locations close to you. Proximity to servers significantly impacts your gaming latency and overall experience. Once you've picked a service, it's time to set up your mobile device. Start by downloading the official cloud gaming application from your phone or tablet's app store. For a truly immersive and precise gameplay experience, I highly recommend pairing a Bluetooth game controller. While touch controls might be available, a physical controller offers much better precision for city building. Finally, make sure your device is fully charged or plugged in to avoid interruptions. With everything set up, you're ready to launch City Skylines 2 directly through your cloud gaming app. You'll be able to enjoy the full PC version of the game, complete with all its features and detailed graphics, streamed right to your mobile screen. This means you can build and manage your dream city from virtually anywhere, whether you're on a commute or relaxing at a coffee shop. Don't forget to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that Little Trees Black Ice air freshener to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.